I'm Shohan Mark. I'm an intern project manager at Zone 24/7. Currently, I'm studying business information system at IIT, and I have been with this company for 4 years now. As intern project manager, I work closely with project managers to ensure smooth project operation. My responsibilities include creating schedules, analyzing daily project tasks, and taking meeting notes and checking on project risks and so on. I also assist with generating reports and supporting other team activities. Throughout my career, I have gained a lot of experience. I still recall very first task I was assigned in Zone 24/7, which involved supporting my peers with a large project. I had to coordinate with the team members daily, reviewing their time entries and monitoring their progress. As a fresh intern, it was not an easy task for me. However, with the support of my colleagues, I managed to successfully drive my work forward. It has been a challenging experience, but my determination to succeed, it helped me to overcome and to complete everything successfully. Balancing studies and working simultaneously was tough. However, thankfully, with the help and guidance of my mentor and colleagues, I achieved my goal. They played a significant role in my professional and personal growth by providing continuous support and guidance, helping me expand my knowledge along the way. During my internship, I gained many skills, including interpersonal skills, team management, budget management, problem solving, and risk management. These skills are crucial for project managers. My experience at Zone 24/7 has allowed me to develop and enhance these skills, contributing to my personal growth as well. The culture at Zone 24/7 is warm and welcoming. The people here treat you like family, inspiring you to perform at your best. It's a friendly and supportive environment where you feel comfortable and valued. At Zone 24/7, the caring and supporting atmosphere allows individuals to thrive in their personal and professional lives. Zone 24/7 deals with various technologies in the IT industry, like machine learning, data science, enterprise solutions, innovation, IoT, and many more. Interacting with experienced professionals in this field has kept me updated on the latest technologies. They have also played a vital role in supporting my career growth. Before I started my internship at Zone 24/7, I used to feel nervous about presenting and speaking in front of others. However, interacting with clients and engaging with them on a daily basis, I was able to overcome these challenges and develop my skills. I'm truly grateful to Zone 24/7 for giving me this amazing opportunity. This internship program has helped me expand my knowledge in my field and has contributed to my personal and professional growth as well. If you're an undergraduate seeking a great internship, Zone 24/7 is a perfect place for you.